Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus React. We'll dive into their core functionalities, helping you understand their distinct roles in the product development lifecycle. Figma excels in design and prototyping, offering a collaborative canvas for visual creation. React, on the other hand, is a powerful framework for building dynamic, interactive user interfaces with code. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of when and why to choose each tool, or even how to use them together effectively. Figma shines as a collaborative design platform, enabling teams to iterate on user interfaces in real time. Its intuitive interface allows for rapid prototyping, bringing static designs to life with interactive elements and smooth transitions. You can build comprehensive design systems, ensuring consistency across all your projects. With a vast array of plugins, Figma extends its capabilities, making it a versatile tool for everything from wireframing to detailed visual design, empowering designers to create stunning user experiences. React is a cornerstone for front-end development, empowering engineers to construct robust and scalable web applications. Its component-based approach means you can build small, reusable pieces of UI, significantly speeding up development and improving maintainability. With React, you're writing actual code, giving you precise control over functionality and performance. The extensive community and rich ecosystem provide countless libraries and tools, making it an incredibly powerful choice for building interactive and data-driven user interfaces. Deciding between Figma and React isn't about one being inherently better, it's about their distinct roles. Use Figma for the initial design phase, crafting user flows, and creating interactive prototypes to validate ideas quickly. Once the design is solid, transition to React for building the actual, functional application. Figma serves as the blueprint, while React brings that blueprint to life with code. Together, they form a powerful duo, streamlining the entire product development process from concept to a fully functional user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.